If you had a tough day at work, watching this video will surely make it easier. Join us and witness the dangerous scenes that operators face every day. So without further ado, hit the nasty like button and let's jump straight into the action. This dude didn't even know what was going to happen to him. He managed to overturn and sink the amphibious excavator, and only thanks to the safety protocol of not fastening a seatbelt and working with the door open, he managed to get out of the cab in time and save himself. I bet this guy wasn't aware that he could have fallen from a 15-meter high cliff at any moment. These guys had everything well prepared and organized for transporting heavy cargo, but they didn't take into account the weight of the load. And when they reached the slope, the incident was inevitable. They lost control, and due to its weight, the cargo started pushing and pulling the trucks. Rookie mistake. Please be gentle. It's my first time. Like a child learning to ride a bike with training wheels. Old school against new school. Let's find out in a moment who will win. I think the new school has won for two reasons. Look at the position of the JCB back hose bucket and look at the Hitachi driver. As I said, the new school has won. Welcome to the Soviet tug of war. These veterans will measure their strength one-on-one, so let's see who will come out as the winner, the tracked vehicle or the wheeled one. The geese agreed that the Dozer won, but something else caught my attention, and that's the rookie mistake this guy made. Never walk next to a tension steel wire cable that snaps. Bro got dumped by his babe. That means just one thing. It's time for a workout. Digging rock with a dozer isn't a tough job, but when you're digging rock twice your weight, that's a task that's not quite easy. Despite its weight of nearly 7 tons and a 65 horsepower engine, this Cat D3 bravely battles a stone twice its weight. So let's check out this challenging task. Wow, that was an amazing job. But let's see what awaits us in the next clip. And in the next clip, real monsters. Meet the Caterpillar D11R, the largest dozer in the world. What? Okay, the second largest dozer in the world. Unlike the D3 with its 65 horsepower and 7 tons, this beast weighing 104 tons and boasting 850 horsepower easily handles a rock weighing almost 200 tons. And if a 200-ton boulder sounds small to you, take a look at this rock. The Komatsu PC4000 is about to throw a rock the size of a minivan into a 400-meter deep hole. If you're a true fan of Ken Block, you're in the right place. If you like Burnout, you're also in the perfect place. And if heavy equipment is your passion, you're definitely at the right spot. This 380 tons Bella's dump truck is struggling to climb this slippery slope, even though it's fully loaded with copper ore. Such driving conditions are very common during the rainy season, making it challenging for drivers to navigate smoothly. And if you're wondering where the grader is, well, someone has to record this amazing burnout. Big bada boom, baby. Who doesn't like it? In the mine blasting process, well planning is a key factor. Engineers drill precise boreholes into the rock, precisely placing explosives. Once set, a controlled detonation fractures the rock, allowing for efficient extraction. And when it comes to ore extraction, these yellow giants you see in the video come into play. Although it seems to me that these giants were in danger from mining blasting. Or maybe not. Well, you be the judge. Now, take a look at this 2,300 horsepower beast, plowing through the mud like a child at play. In situations like these, where the truck is at full throttle, even the slightest reduction in speed could lead to getting stuck. But the managers have no reason to worry because behind the wheel are tough and experienced drivers. As we like to say, bad mother F. I love the smell of burning tires in the morning. This beast isn't doing as well as the one earlier. The reason is that this Bella's truck is empty and driving uphill. In such situations, when there's no grader or bulldozer at that moment, the driver simply has to burn the tires because there isn't enough weight and traction on the rear tires. Not to mention that one tire costs around 30,000 euros. Well, that was dangerously close. Climate change has once again demonstrated its cruelty. For the past 48 hours, heavy rain accompanied by hail has transformed mining roads into rivers. Due to the intense rainfall, the nearby dam was on the verge of breaking, and it was just a matter of time before the water would breach the dam and rush into the mine. And then disaster struck. A full video detailing this epic disaster will be available in the coming days at the link in the description. How about this 240 tons of precisely spreading gravel? We call it the carpet. Slippery roads in the mining industry can be a disaster for productivity. This badass truck driver came up with the idea to raise the dump bed to shift all the weight onto the rear wheels. However, from what I can see, their tires aren't in excellent condition. Stay with us until the end to see what Mother Nature is capable of. A rainy day in the quarry. Man, I just love these Bellers trucks. Nothing beats when work goes smoothly. This Komatsu PC4000 loads the gigantic XCMG with gold ore, but the shift would be simply dull if everything went seamlessly. But something strange is happening with the excavator. I wonder what it could be. If you're an excavator expert, write in the comments what's going on. This Komatsu bulldozer is pulling this veteran Bucyrus rotary blast hole drill to the scrapyard. But something very dangerous caught my attention. Comment below if you've noticed the same thing as I did. Last time we saw the fight of a bulldozer against one Kiribets. Let's see how the fight against two Kiribets will go, with one being more powerful than the previous one. Oops. It seems that the explosive technicians used a bit more explosive than needed. Luckily, the material was fine and powdery. Apart from needing a good cleaning, the excavator is not damaged. Back to the Cat Dozer, this time a bit smaller than the D11R, but powerful enough to play with this large rock. Built for demanding tasks, the D90 Dozer with its 410 horsepower engine and a weight of 48 tons effortlessly pushes for challenging terrains. Its blade capacity of 13 cubic meters enables it to handle large rocks with ease, making it a powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery. This 237-ton bell has had an issue with the brakes while descending fully loaded. It rushed down at high speed, and thanks to the driver's composure, a tragedy was prevented. Luckily, the driver managed to stop the vehicle on the safety berm. Loss of dynamic brake is a significant concern for AC electric mining trucks, impacting safety and causing anxiety for the driver. Without dynamic brake, the driver may have to rely on the service brake, leading to increased repair and maintenance costs. Additionally, the service brake is designed for speeds less than 5 to 10 kilometers per hour and is not suitable for higher speeds, and this truck driver experienced an acceleration much greater than 10 kilometers per hour. Rain. The number one enemy in mining. As desirable as it is in agriculture, it is not welcome in mining. Rain is considered one of the biggest causes of incidents and is the main culprit for reduced production in mining. Making roads slippery makes it difficult for drivers to control the vehicle, making driving really dangerous. Check out in the next clip what consequences rain can cause. you remember when I mentioned earlier in the video that the dam had breached? Well, this is the outcome. The day after, a large amount of water, mud, and sludge rushed into a 400-meter deep hole, sweeping everything in its path. Where roads once existed, there is now desolation. Excavators and other equipment were trapped due to road disappearances and material collapses, and production was suspended for several days. In the next few days, we will present the entire video about this epic disaster. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this rainy adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mining adventures. Until the next video, take care.